Welcome back to another video. Today we gotta prepare for the unexpected sale. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got pretty much generator and battery powered, all kinds of stuff for the storms and the blackouts and stuff. All right, so we got 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $699.99. Not a bad deal. We seen this for $689.99. Just to let you guys know, on the parking lot sales. We got 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator for $49.99. Yeah, pretty much this is the standard price, standard coupon. What is this? 9000 watt max starting extra long life gas powered generator. You got $599.99. Okay. Not a bad deal. Like I said, these are all not a bad deals. Anything with the Predator engine will do the job and will last a long time. You got 6500 watt max starting gas powered generator for $49.99. You got 4375 max starting extra long life powered generators for $329.99. This is the cheaper one. And guys, if you guys want to pretty much get the better deals on these, please watch the parking lot sales. Attend the parking lot sales, or the the 3-day sales that they have on the weekends. I do go out to the stores and record. As a matter of fact, I just did one this weekend, Friday. I went to 2 different stores and recorded the open box items, and that's where you can get all the smoking deals on these, especially these bigger items like the generators and the compressors. You can get a whole bunch of good deals on those. I did get, I believe it wasn't this one, it was the older version, something like this. I got it for $125. So feel free to subscribe and watch my parking lot sale videos. You can search up on YouTube up here. What is this? Tool Head 147 parking lot sales, and all my videos are gonna pop up there. All right, so we got 9000 watts or 900 watts. Max starting 2-cycle gas powered generator, $109.99. My cousin does have this. It works pretty good. He said that one of the ones that they had a little bit of trouble starting it. And one of the other models was the one that he has now. It's good. So it just depends, I guess, on the model that you have. But both of them work really good, except one's a little bit harder to start. But other than that, he said both of them work fine. And he uses it commercially, by the way. He uses it for tile work and all that, for a drill, for mixing the concrete. You got 105 gallon or a 5-gallon diesel can and a gas can for $17.99 each. 25 by 10 gauge generator duty twist lock extension cord, $37.99. And these are the tires. I wanted to get this for my generator here. 8-inch flat free generator wheel kit with the handle, $19.99. This is not a bad deal. You got the 2000 watt RV ready parallel inverter generator, $44.99. Yeah, you can't forget about the tarps. For the weather, for covering up stuff, even if you have a leak in your roof, as an emergency situation, a tarp is going to do a lot of good to you. It's going to help you a lot, covering all those items that need to be covered when all the rain gets here and stuff. So you got a 5x7. This is usually free, guys. There's coupons out there. You can download the app or stay tuned for on my channel. I usually publish or upload videos of coupons. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, usually this is for free. You got a 5x7 for $199. You got a 7x9 for $4.49. You got the camel there. 11 by 15 feet, $12.99. You got 19 by 29 feet, heavy duty reflect tarp, $49.99. And then this is the lithium ion jump starter and power pack from Viking, $69.99. We've seen this lower than that. I believe we've seen this for $64.99. But $69.99, I would definitely pay that. That's what I did pay. I paid $70 for it, basically. I did start a V8. First I did the first video. I started a Ranger, and then I did the second video, which I started my personal truck, which is a Silverado, and it has a V8, so it did start it. Sometimes when the battery is like super dead, it's instead of helping the engine start, it's actually dragging it down. When that happens, when it's too when the battery is like definitely like too bad, then you have to disconnect the battery, because this thing's not gonna charge the battery and start your vehicle at the same time. This is just designed to start your vehicle. So what you do on that occasion, all you have to do is just disconnect it and connect the two there, and just push the buttons and turn on the vehicle, and it'll just turn on. If you want to connect the battery, you can connect the battery, but at that stage of the battery, it actually hurts the motor to have a dead battery connected, I guess. So but yeah, in an emergency situation, this is definitely a great item to have. Especially, it's really small, really compact, and you can get these at the parking lot sales too. I saw about 3 or 4 on the last store that I went to. And like I said, you can feel free to watch the video. I just published it last Friday. You got 3-in-1 portable power pack, $49.99. 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. Me personally, I like to go with something like this instead of this. That's just me. This does have all kinds of stuff. It does have a compressor, everything, work light. But me personally, I like to have something compact, something small I could just throw under the seat, not something big and bulky. 12,000 truck SUV winch, $299.99. Got the good, better, and best. Guys, I do not recommend these. I did had one leak on one of the remote controls, and I got it all over my hands, and it just became a mess. And I thought it was okay. It's just one bad, it's no big deal. So I kept, I got a fresh set and just put it in the remote control. And like 2 weeks later, I'm kidding you not, I went there, and the control wouldn't work. So I'm like, okay, I'll replace the batteries. And guess what? There was acid in my hands too. So I do not recommend these batteries, even if you get them for free, guys. No, I wouldn't. These I couldn't tell you because I haven't used them. According to Harbor Freight, they're the medium, the medium type of thing. But these I do recommend. They're well worth it. There's coupons out there. There's times where they drop these to $4.99, and these are well worth it. I do have a pack here. I haven't drained them all the way, but I will be doing some tests with some Energizers or some Duracells and let you guys know what's how they compare to that. But yeah, $250. Oh, by the way, this is killer price here for these. $6.99. Like I said, we've seen this for $4.99. So just keep that in mind. If you want to wait and stock up, you can. 250 lumen pop-up lantern, $4.99. You got the 1250 lumen portable, $16.99. And these are great, guys. These, anything that's a quantum, anything brawn, pretty much great lights. I do recommend anything. These are $5. They take double A's. Yeah, they light up. They're not the brightest ever, but they do light up. A lot of people say that these flicker when you like drop them and stuff, but it's normal. If something's loose inside and throw it around, it's gonna break. 588 tactical flashlight. This is probably gonna last you longer if you're gonna be throwing it around. All right, you got the chainsaws, guys. Well, there's a difference in all these. There's a lot of difference. Like if you want something cheap and if you got a tree you want to cut down and you don't want to spend a lot of money, and that's about the only thing you're gonna do. Maybe some trimming next year or so. This thing is gonna get the job done. This is a good chainsaw. Would recommend this. $39.99 will get definitely that tree cut. But if you need something better, the gas. This is okay. $149.99. Like this is more DIY type of stuff. Me personally, I will go with another brand. To tell you guys the truth. At this price point, you could probably either get something like this, a battery operated unit, not have to worry about gas and spark plugs and all kinds of maintenance on this thing. And this thing is just gonna have a battery and it's just plug and play, pretty much like this. Either this or another type of brand, a name brand. But yeah, if you're gonna go with the gas, I would definitely choose a better brand. That's just my personal preference. You might have a different preference. For Bauer, this is mostly light duty use. This is not gonna be your heavy duty type of thing. This is only 20 volts. So this is for smaller trees, smaller branches and stuff like that. $67. It's not a bad deal. I still have to buy it because I do a lot of I have a lot of trees and smaller trees like lemon trees and all that stuff. And I need something like this. Maybe I'll get it at a parking lot sale or something. And try this out for you guys. But yeah, this is a much better item. It does have a lot more power than probably the Bauer. This is 40 volts. And that's another thing. When you're buying a chainsaw, make sure it's 40 volts. Or, 36, 40, 56, 80 volt, whatever they have. The more volts, that means it has more power. And just be careful with the batteries, because if you have a lot to cut, you have to have multiple batteries. It does drain them quick. You got the 10x10 pop-up canopy, $54.99. 10x20 portable canopy, 100 under $100. 10x10 portable shed, $129.99. You got the 17x10, $169.99. 20% off any heater. These I haven't used any of these. They seem okay, I guess, for just a DIY, one time here and there. But yeah, there's a lot of good stuff here at Harbor Freight, especially these. I would say Bauer tools are great for the DIY, and these are great too, and this is great. There's like flashlights, and there's a lot of good tools around. Just gotta know and watch the videos. Make sure you guys watch the videos on each item, and look at the reviews. You guys could get definitely some great deals at the parking lot sales. Like these, you can get it for dirt cheap. You can get it for half of that price. Usually these you can get it for like $250. These right here. So it's just depends on whether they have a sale and if you're right on top of it. So anyways, stay subscribed. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.